It's certainly been a really good couple of years for energy storage. Strategically, alongside COVID-19, we saw a big drop in demand, and so what that's shown us really is that there's almost a glimpse into a kind of future world where renewables are a much higher penetration than they are today. I think that's really shown people where they need to get to with energy storage, and so that was a really useful thing to show energy storage markets and to show investors what energy storage is capable of and the world it's going to be operating within. So really, really low prices on some occasions, but also really high prices you have to call in out of merit plant. So wind and solar have been emerging for a long time. They are now in the money, I think, and they are a hugely profitable thing for investors to be looking at, and all of the winds are in the right direction for solar and wind. So I think we will see a huge amount of growth in those markets over the next couple of years. Energy storage is a little bit different. So wind and solar have a very stable base, and they're growing that base. Energy storage is starting from a lower point, but it is certainly, there's a balance that has to be struck between wind and solar and intermittent renewables and energy storage. And as we're seeing intermittent renewables growing and taking up a larger portion of the market, we're going to see storage being dragged and also showing its worth at the same time. So I think it's going to be a really exciting next 5 years for energy storage. So I think right now you've got a lot of lithium systems that are dominating ancillary service markets, and so I expect that to continue. But what I do expect is that as energy storage systems look to go outside of ancillary service markets, we're going to look to new energy storage technologies to be active in wholesale trading and fundamental energy balancing. And so I think that's where things like Invinity and vanadium flow battery systems alongside other emerging technologies will be really important.